Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Spider-Punk in Invision's webverse. To begin, identify the specific in-game requirements for unlocking this unique character. You will generally need to progress through the main story, complete unique challenges, and collect specific in-game resources. We will cover each of these crucial steps to ensure you can add this awesome hero to your roster, typically requiring several hours of dedicated gameplay. A primary method for unlocking Spider-Punk involves completing specific story missions. You will need to progress through the main narrative, often reaching a certain chapter or arc that introduces alternate universe characters. Pay close attention to mission descriptions and objectives, as some will directly lead to unlocking new heroes. Successfully completing these will advance your progress significantly. Beyond missions, gathering resources is often crucial. Explore the game world thoroughly to find unique tokens or collectibles associated with Spider-Punk. Additionally, earn in-game currency by completing side quests, challenges, or daily objectives. Once you have accumulated the necessary amount, navigate to the character unlock store or menu to exchange your hard-earned resources for Spider-Punk. Once you have met all the requirements, head to the character selection or costume menu within the game. You should see Spider-Punk available for selection. Confirm the unlock, then equip him to immediately begin playing as this energetic hero. Enjoy swinging through the city, performing awesome punk rock moves, and experiencing the game with a fresh, unique style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.